Scanning QR code is used to provide easy access to information through a smartphone. In this video, we will show you how to print QR code in fast and easy way using Breva. But before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Generate your QR code and edit it on your design software. You can add text or logo, but be careful not to go overboard with customizing. Once you're done with the design, transfer your file to Breva Software. Click Confirm to start printing. Breva Printer is good for marking, decoration, and personalization that is best for industrial and retail. It can print on objects up to 50 mm in height. You can also use variety of inks such as UV, solvent, and water-based ink, with color black, white, red, yellow, and blue. With Breva Printer, you can print on different materials like wood, plastics, glass, and even on metal like this. And in no time, you're done printing. This makes it easy for people to contact or visit your website, as it can be read by a camera phone with freely downloadable software. Level up your business with Breva, the most compact flatbed printer. For more information, visit our website at www.multisys.me. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.